Hi there, students. Gingerly, an adverb. I think the adverb's probably the most common for this. If you do something gingerly, you're very careful. It's because you expect it to be dangerous or unpleasant or even painful. So he gingerly put his toe into the swimming pool because he expected to be very cold. Okay, so gingerly, cautiously, carefully, reluctantly, suspiciously, yeah, because you don't think it's going to be very nice. So in a timid way. Ginger, the noun. Well, ginger is the root of a plant and it's very tasty. Yeah, but also notice ginger, we use it as an adjective meaning red. He's got ginger hair, a ginger tomcat. So you can also use it like that, meaning reluctantly. To ginger up, to make something more exciting. So you need to ginger up this essay with a few adverbs and things like that. Yeah, adverbs like gingerly. Okay, so if you do something gingerly, you do it very carefully. Yeah. His bottom was very sore, so he sat down very gingerly. Notice gingery, the taste of this food is very gingery. Yeah, taste of ginger, but that's not gingerly at all. Okay, so in a way that's very careful, very cautious. Yeah, I've had a really bad back recently, so normally every movement I'd make, I do it very gingerly, in a slow, careful way. Yeah, he gingerly touched her shoulder because he thought she was going to react badly to it. So with a great deal of care, with great delicacy, yeah, he gingerly took a step towards the tiger. Wow, yeah. Okay, so gingerly, cautious, timid, warily, tentatively, timidly, circumspectly, cagily, yeah, trying to avoid a danger or a risk or a mistake. And this is the idea of to do something gingerly. So he touched it very gingerly. Yeah, it's a good word. Okay, so gingerly, well, it comes from ginger, and it might well come from Old French, gensor, more beautiful or more polite. Which itself will come from Latin, genitus, well born, yeah, from gigno, to give birth to. So, gingerly, what about formality? It sounds rather literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality, maybe even a 6.5. I guess you could just about use it in an informal conversation. To me, it sounds better in a semi-formal conversation or something literary that you've written. Yeah, it's a good word for a poem, yeah, or a descriptive essay or something like that. Okay, so gingerly, with the utmost caution. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Gingerly and ginger.